Introducing the BUNN BX Speed Brew Classic 10-Cup Coffee Brewer, Black. The BUNN Speed Brew stands out with its unique features and superior performance. BUNN brews differently. With an internal commercial-grade stainless steel hot water tank, this coffee brewer keeps 70 ounces of water always hot. This means you can quickly brew your favorite coffee at the flip of a lid. Classic Speed Brew look. The stainless steel faceplate and tank wrap design give this coffee brewer a sleek and stylish appearance. Designed and assembled in the USA, rest assured knowing that this coffee brewer is manufactured with the highest quality standards. Exclusive drip-free carafe. Experience the cleanest pour on the market with a proprietary lid and spout design that arcs the coffee into your cup while wicking the rest back into the carafe. Switch-activated warmer plate. Keep your coffee at the optimal serving temperature with the switch-activated warmer plate. Fastest 10 CUP home coffee maker. Our advanced technology allows this coffee maker to brew a full carafe of coffee in just 4 minutes, half the time of typical coffee makers. Cafe taste at home. The commercial-style multi-stream spray head evenly showers hot water for the perfect extraction, giving you a delicious cafe-style coffee experience in the comfort of your own home. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use in other countries. Compatibility should be checked before purchasing. Get ready to enjoy delicious, hot coffee in just minutes with the BUNN BX Speed Brew Classic 10-Cup Coffee Brewer, Black. Click on the short link below to learn more and make your purchase today. Short link: https://amzn.to/47mldpd